Good morning, my awesome students. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to paint this extra piece of paper since we don't have the colored construction paper in the boxes. So I'm taking that thicker piece of paper and I have my little cup of water, paintbrush, and then my watercolor set. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make it so I have all the colors to use. If you want, you can do it so you won't, like if you only want, let's say like blue and purple for your paper quilling project, guess what? You can just do blue and purple. That's fine. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna start applying the paint. And then once this dries, then I can cut this into the strips and I can use this for my paper coils. And again, if I want a more vibrant color, I can do a few layers of this, but I want to let them dry in between. And by all means, if you have colored construction paper at home, that's obviously that wasn't supplied in the box, but you just have some lying around, feel free to use that. And then also, if this is like, I don't know, if you don't like the way the colors are turning out on this paper and you don't like the quality of it, you can also cut down newspaper strips and look for the ones with like colored pages on it with pictures. Cut those down, and then you can use those to make the paper coils as well, just like as another option. And I'm just going to make a rainbow on this page, just so that way I have all of those colors to work with. And I know, like for mine, I'm going to skip black and brown on here just because I want my paper coils to be nice and vibrant. This is kind of hard to tell probably in the video, but this is orange. I'm probably going to do another coat of this just so it ends up being more vibrant. And also, because this paper isn't watercolor paper, I have to watch how much water I'm putting on there. I don't want to completely soak it. I gotta dab my brush off a little bit, really pick up some of the pigment from the palette. I like the yellow, looks nice. see right there, that little whoopsie spot, because I dropped some water down on there. Start doing some green. Like I said, if you don't like the outlook, like how this is turning out, and you're like, you know, I want like vibrant colors, you can, you know, use any paper you have at home, any colored construction paper if you have some, or again, like any of like the newspaper pictures. Also some really good ones are like anything from a magazine, or like the grocery store coupons. Those are always good, because those are bright, colorful pictures in there. And if you cut those into strips, you won't really be able to see what it's advertising. Unless you, who knows, maybe you want to show like Gatorade or something. That's fine too. This blue is nice, nice and deep. Like I said, you don't have to do it exactly how I'm doing it. Again, if you don't want to use all the colors, you don't have to. It's really what you envision. So if, let's say, your paper quilling project is of a turtle, you probably don't really need like reds and like purples, but you can still include them if you want on this paper. It's fine. Okay, that last little bit, that'll be purple. And these are the colors that are just straight from this palette of watercolors. So if I wanted to, like if I wanted to make my own purple, like I could mix some red and blue, and that might help make it look a little bit more vibrant. Okay. Alright, so once I let that dry, then I can go in and I'll cut this down into those coils, the strips for the coil. So look like something like this. Alright.